Hey, this is Gus from Frame-Amo. Today I'm going to teach you how to hang a picture frame with Sawtooth hangers on the backing board. For this project, you're going to need a pen, your hanging hardware, measuring tape, level, hammer, the frame itself, and some kind of straight edge. We're going to use the box the frame came in. So first off, we're going to take our frame and hold it up on the wall wherever we want to hang it. Good rule of thumb is you want the middle of the frame to be about eye level with you. So once you've got that, we're gonna mark the top edge of the frame right in the middle. If you don't want to mark directly on your wall, that's understandable. You can use Post-it note or a piece of painter's tape for these marks instead. So here I am with a Post-it note. So once we've got that marked, we're going to take our frame back to the table and flip it over. We're gonna find where those Sawtooth hangers are. For me, it's here on the right, you can see. And we're going to measure the distance from our hanger to the top edge of the frame. For me, that's about 2.5, 2 3/4 inches. So once you have that measurement, we're gonna transfer it back to the wall and make another mark in the middle, that amount down. So once we've got that mark, we're gonna go back again to the frame and we're gonna grab our box. Once we've got our box, we're gonna align it to the back of the frame and we're going to mark the centers of both Sawtooth hangers. So here I am marking those, getting that distance between the two hangers so that we can then transfer it to the wall. So once we've got that, grab your level. We're gonna go to the wall, align it to that second mark, put on the level, get it all straightened out. Once we're level, we're going to transfer the marks from the box onto the wall. These are the last marks, I promise. So once we've got that on both sides, we're gonna grab our hanging hardware. I'm going to use these hooks with a nail that goes in at an angle, and I'm gonna align the bottom of my hook to the mark we just made. If you're using a drywall screw or just a nail, you can nail directly into the hole, but if you're using a hook like me, make sure the bottom is aligned to the mark. So we're gonna do that on either side, and once we've got that hammered in, there's only one more step, which is to hang the frame on the wall. So we're gonna grab our frame, align the top to that first mark we made, and as you press it against the wall, it should hopefully slot right in. Make sure you're hanging on the hangers and not on the top of the frame because that could damage it over time, but that's it. That's how you hang a frame. Thanks for watching.